All right. Got another one here I want to make a sheath for. This has been sitting on my desk and I've been wanting to make a sheath. Real simple one. Going to keep it simple today, but not. It's got to be different. So it's a Gladius, right? The Gladius. This is Cold Steel's Gladius. A lot of people really like this thing. It's a very cool machete. So I mean, this is the high quality one. There was another model that was made in a different country, and it was not as high quality as this one. But this one here is a little bit harder steel. Now I'm going to make a sheath for this, and it needs to be a Gladius sheath. So I'm going to be building a Gladius sheath today for the Gladius. And it needs to look just like those of the era somebody would have carried this thing. Now, this isn't going to be made out of wood or anything like that. We're doing leather like we usually do, and try to keep it simple. Hopefully you guys pick up an idea and take it with you. All right, let's move on. And it's that simple. You cut two pieces. You just have to put them together and stitch them all the way on the edge. Get them a good stitch. And I'll show you the next part. So after you get it sewn together, you'll get it wet with hot water. Run it under the sink. Once you get it hot, you're gonna lay it down and you're gonna hit it with something heavy and flat, and just smush it out flat. And then I just clip it and I leave it hanging for a few days, and it dries out nice like this. So this is ready for dye, and then I get to put my collar on. So it fits perfect. It's like the perfect sheath for it. Now I gotta finish it up, so I don't know what color dye I'm gonna go with. I would do like saddle tan or something, but I think I've still got the brown laying around here. I might just go ahead and use saddle tan. Make it a lot easier to get this done. So we'll wrap this up. The collar for it, it's real simple. You just make yourself a collar with a belt loop, something to loop it up with, and you're done. And you're not really concerned with snaps or anything like that, because it's a simple draw holster. You don't need to snap it in place, because it'll pretty much hold its own just from the weight of the blade. So you don't really have to worry about all that. There it is, dyed, sheened. I did this like I said I would. It's simple. I mean, you can remove it if you want, put something else on there. It's just a nice little belt loop. It's not a heavy machete, so this style works great. And it's real easy to pull. It just pulls right out. No issues there. But that thing is crazy looking, and it looks just like a Gladius machete, or like a Gladius sword. It's a nice sheath. Very solid. Nice shine to it. Well, anyways, hope this helps. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. That gives me a little bit of help. And God bless. Take care and stay sane.